everyone, welcome to the Amazing Math channel. For today's video, I will discuss the introduction of a set. Here are the objectives. We have to define a set and describe a set by using the two methods. What is a set? In mathematics, set is a well-defined group or collection of objects that share common characteristics, like for example, set of books, set of chairs, set of flowers, and etc. The objects contained in the set are called elements. When we say element, it is like a member of a set in any one of the distinct that belong to the set. This is a symbol of an element. A set can be named using capital letters like A, B, C to Z. And we use braces to group the elements of set separated by commas. I have here an example of a set. Set M is a set of red, yellow, and blue. Set M is the name of a set, and these red, yellow, and blue are the elements of a set M. If a set contains many elements, we often use three dots, called ellipses. For example, a set of L is a set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and etc. After a number 10, we have three dots since a set of L means that it is a continuation of even numbers. A defined set is a set with an exact object or element. Here are some examples of well-defined sets. Number 1. The set of primary colors. We let a name of a set is L and the primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. So we write that a set of L is equal to red, yellow, and blue. Number 2. The set of letter in the word excellent. In example number 2, we let a name of a set is E and letters in the word excellent are letter E, X, C, L, N, and T. Thus, we write that the set of E equals to the letter E, X, C, L, N, and T. Number 3. The set of all even numbers. For this example, we let a name of a set is L, and when we say even numbers, are those numbers that can be divided into two equal groups or pairs and are exactly divisible by 2. And those numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and soon. So we write that a set of L is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and soon. There is an ellipsis since the numbers are continuing. If there is a well-defined set, there is also a not well-defined set. The examples are the set of honest people, the set of famous singer. The sets given are not well-defined since people will have different points of view on honest people and famous singers. In writing a set, there are two methods in describing a set. These are listing or roster method and the rule method. The listing or roster method is a straightforward method of describing sets but is not convenient when describing large sets. Let us write the set of primary colors in a listing method. We let set M is the set of primary colors. So we get a set of M is equal to red, yellow, and blue. On the other hand, the rule method uses a descriptor. When we write it into a rule method, we have a set M is a set of all elements X, such that X are primary colors. The vertical bar can be used interchangeably to replace the phrase such that or for which when describing sets. We use either the vertical bar to separate the variable we have set from the property we are using to describe the elements of the set. Okay, let's try this activity. Number 1. The set of the letter in the word math. We let S in the name of a set. In the roster method, we write a capital letter S then an equal sign. After that is a symbol of an open brace. Then write a letter M, A, T, and H. And lastly, the close symbol for a brace. We read this as set S is the set of the letters M, A, T, and H. In the rule method, we write a capital letter S, then an equal sign. Next is the open brace. Write also a variable x, then a vertical bar, a variable x again, and write also the word or letters in the word math. And lastly, the symbol for a closed brace. We read it as set S is the set of all elements x such that x are letters in the word math. The set number 2, the set of types of matter in science. First, we need to find out what are the types of matter in science before we write it into the roster method and rule method. The types of matter in science are solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. Now, we can write it into the roster and rule method. We let T in the name of a set. So we have set T is a set of solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. In rule method, we have set T is the set of all elements of X, such that X are the types of matter in science.